Hi guys, and welcome to this chatbot strategy video where we're going to look at how you can hijack a sales page as an affiliate. So what that means is the traffic that we send through our affiliate link, when it lands on the sales page, all of those people will see a chatbot as if it is installed on the sales page, even though we do not own the sales page. We call this hijacking. We're going to hijack a sales page. And the benefits of this are that when your traffic lands on that sales page, you can present them with offers to help increase your chances of a conversion. Now, it's quite common with affiliate marketing to offer an incentive for people to purchase through your affiliate link. Could be in the form of a bonus or free gift. It could be a discount, or indeed more common with affiliates is cashback. And the reason that is because obviously as an affiliate, you cannot create a discount coupon for the shopping cart that somebody is processing their sales through. So giving them an actual coupon code isn't always possible. So although I'm using a discount coupon bot, that's kind of irrelevant in this case because all I'm doing is showing you how to set it up. The type of bot you use is going to vary depending on the incentive you're offering and obviously the kind of product that you're looking to promote. Now I'm going to show you based on being an affiliate promoting a ClickBank product. Quite often information products are very popular with affiliate marketers and they're really good to offer discounts on because obviously there's no physical product there that costs anything. So yeah, discounts and free gifts, etc. are very, very common. But anyway, what the type of bot you use, like I say, and the products you promote is all down to you. I'm showing you how you can go about setting up and helping you understand the strategy behind it. So I'm on the bot builder, as you can see, and what I'm going to do is come straight over to the publish page because this is where we can create the hijacked link, or the link to the hijacked sales page, I should say. And it's this option here that says preview on external website. Now to do this, we obviously need an affiliate link. So I'm going to come over to ClickBank Marketplace here, and I've picked a random product here called Forex Trendy. Never promoted it in my life, never seen it before. But what I've done is I've created my affiliate link, which would look like this. All ClickBank affiliate links have exactly the same structure. So this here, I don't know whether I should just make this bigger actually. Let me just make all this text a bit bigger so it's maybe a bit easier to read on screen. That might be a bit too big. Okay, that's better. So this link, like I say, is a standard format for ClickBank. This part here is my affiliate ID. That's going to be unique to every affiliate. This part here is the vendor, the product owner. So in this case, it's Forex Trendy, and their ID is FX Trendy. That's for their account. This is for my account. And the rest of the link is the same for every single, what ClickBank called hot links or affiliate links. So this is the structure. But the reality is that I don't have an affiliate ID that is called my AF ID. So if I tried to use this link, it's not going to work because ClickBank won't allow it. So I can show you that actually by just copying this. If I get a new tab and bring that down and paste that in, you can see this link is incorrect. Okay, so that's not going to work. So if I bring that back, one thing that ClickBank do is they use ZZZZZ, and this is going to forward to a hop or a click an affiliate link, sorry, without any affiliate ID in it. But just so you understand how this is working, so I'm going to bring this down, and you can see it forwards to this different URL where it says hop equals 0. Now, if I did have my AF ID as an affiliate link, then it would forward to, let's just get rid of this, it would forward to a domain that looked like this. forextrendy.com / hop equals my AF ID. Okay, but because I don't have this as an affiliate ID, it wouldn't do that. But the point is that I'm trying to make is for this, we can't use the affiliate link that you sometimes generate to send your traffic through. What you have to do first is click your affiliate link because sometimes they redirect to a different link structure. And this is the link structure that's going to work. So what I can now do is take this link, come back to my chatbot area, and again, just to remind you that I'm over on the publish page, and as you scroll down, it's preview on external website, and we put the website URL in. But in this case, I'm putting in my affiliate link after the redirect. Okay, I'm going to show you what I mean by going through this, because one version is going to work and one isn't going to work. So if I hit preview on this, what we're going to see is the Forex Trendy website, and you can see that I've hijacked it and put my bot in the bottom right hand corner. And I'm just going to pull this down to show you, excuse the exit bot, I'm going to pull this down to show you what the new URL looks like that you would use. So you can see it's on a generic bot domain. It's nothing to do with our brand. And you can see at the end here, it's got the link that I've just put in. So my affiliate ID is still being tracked, and I would still get credited with the sale. But I want to show you why we did that. So if I can just get rid of this again and come back. If I was to, sorry, let's just come back here. Let me do a couple of undos. Right, if I was to just use my straight up affiliate link, which obviously isn't my affiliate link, but let's just say I wanted to do that, and I was to put that in here and hit preview, you can see, oh, sorry, we put the full domain in and hit preview. You can see that we're just going to get a white page. So sometimes affiliate links that you get given or are generated on an affiliate system are not going to work. So click them first, see what the affiliate link redirects to, make sure it's still got your affiliate ID, copy that link and put that into the preview on external website, and that is the link that will work. And as you can see from my previous link, I just want to bring it back to show you. So this is the redirected affiliate link. If I hit preview on that, there we are. It is now working. I'm going to bring this down again so you can see the full URL and what that would look like. And what you would now do is use this to send your affiliate traffic through. Okay, so that is how you can very quickly and very easily hijack a sales page for an affiliate product you want to promote and display your own chatbot in it to help increase your conversions on that affiliate offer and obviously convert more traffic that you're sending through.